So you want to eat a healthy lunch, but you didn't get to the grocery store and you did not meal prep. Do not worry, this is not a problem because I am going to share a very simple formula that I use to create healthy meals even when I don't have a plan. Now, I'm gonna call this the protein base boost formula. And this is exactly what I used to create the delicious tuna bowl recipe that I'm gonna share with you today using simple staples that I always keep on hand. But first, we hydrate. If you're working to build healthier eating habits, hydration is key because it supports energy, appetite, and digestion. You all know that I am a huge fan of LMNT. They are my go-to when it comes to electrolytes. LMNT contains a science-based balance of sodium, potassium, and magnesium, and I have found that adding it to my water has completely leveled up my hydration game. Whenever I'm heading out to the gym, I will add it to my water bottle. If I'm having a long work day at home, I'll fill a big mason jar like I have here, and then I'll pour some of the LMNT in there. Today I'm drinking the orange, so delicious. And then I'll continue to do that throughout the day because I find it really helps me not only to drink more water, but to feel more like hydrated and energized. Not only do electrolytes help with hormone balance, but they can also be the answer to common challenges like headaches, muscle cramps, fatigue, and sleeplessness. And I know for myself, I just feel better when I include them into my daily routine. So if you want to give them a try, right now they're offering a free sample pack with any purchase. So you're going to get all of their most popular flavors and 2 each. So that's 8 packets in total with any purchase. And I have a link for you down in the description box below so you can do it like that, or you can simply visit drinklmnt.com/Danny Spies. That's www.drinklmnt.com/Danny Spies. Either of those are going to get you that free sample pack with any purchase. Okay, so let's dive into the simple formula that I am calling the protein base and boost formula. When you're building a meal, the first thing you want to do is think about what is going to be your protein source. Not only is protein going to help you feel satiated and satisfied, but it's also going to help to protect lean muscle, which is very important, especially if you are in the midlife range like myself. So for this recipe, I am going with canned tuna because this is something I always have in the pantry. And I'm also going to add 1 hard-boiled egg because we always have eggs in the refrigerator. I want you to keep in mind here that if you did not have canned tuna, you could easily do this with canned salmon, with mackerel, with sardines, right? So the whole name of the game here is to use what you have on hand and to use your freezer and your pantry to keep simple staples like this on hand for when you don't want to make a recipe and when you don't have a plan. Okay, so I've chopped up that egg, and this is our protein source. We've got a can of tuna, we've got 1 chopped egg. Now, the next thing we're gonna move on to is the base. This is your foundation. This is what's gonna give the meal a bit of structure. So I want you thinking beans, potatoes, whole grains, vegetables, maybe some of your favorite fruits, okay? That's where we're going here. For this recipe, I'm using a combination of basmati rice and I'm using some cauliflower rice. I love the cauliflower rice because it's gonna add extra volume and some fiber as well, okay? So I'm gonna do about a cup of each. I've already measured out my basmati rice, and keep in mind that both of these ingredients came right from my freezer. So again, you keep these simple staples on hand, and then you can always make a really easy meal just like this, okay? And then we're also gonna do 1 cup of the frozen cauliflower rice. This is a great ingredient to keep on hand because you can use it for so many different things. Sometimes I put it into my scrambled eggs, I've put it into smoothies, I make fried rice using cauliflower rice. So you've got a nice, strong foundation. I'm gonna pop this in my microwave for 2 or 3 minutes just to heat it through and take any more of that frozen edge off. Okay, so that was just about 2.5, 3 minutes, and that was just because my rice and my cauliflower rice were coming straight from the freezer. Beautiful though. So there is our foundation. This is our base. I do like to season as I go. So to me, the most simple and delicious way you can season your food when you want to keep things easy, salt, pepper, garlic powder. It will never let you down. Salt, pepper, garlic powder. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. Okay, so what I do from here is I'm gonna add the protein into the base. So in goes the tuna, which by the way, when it comes to tuna, I always look for skipjack tuna because in the world of canned tuna, it actually contains the lowest mercury content. So a little something to keep in the back of your pocket. And then we're gonna toss that egg in as well. All right, so we've got our protein, we've got our base. It's already starting to look beautiful. And I promise you it's delicious. Now we're gonna add the boost. And the boost is where things get fun because this is where you're gonna add your flavor, your texture, this is where you're gonna like level up all the yumminess. So in this case, what I like to do is because we're kind of going with the tuna vibe, I love a little raw chopped red onion. So good to me. If you don't do onion, this could be celery. Remember, you're using what you have on hand. That's the beauty of these recipes, okay? Or this foundation, I should say, this formula that we've created. So you're gonna add a few tablespoons of the chopped red onion, or at least I am. I do like a nice hearty chop there. Then I love some pickled jalapenos. There's something about the tuna with the egg and the onion and the jalapenos. I give it a little bit of a chop. And keep in mind, when you buy pickled jalapenos, you can get them spicy, but you can also get them mild. So if you just like a pickly tang without the heat, you can always look for like a mild brand. They do exist. And then I'm also gonna add a few handfuls of spinach. Now, if you guys haven't watched yet, I'm gonna link for you down below my pantry staples. Because in that video, I'm sharing with you simple staples to keep on hand when you don't want to make a recipe. And baby greens like this are one of the things I always have in my fridge. So these are the kind of foods that you can rely on in your weakest moments. That's the beauty of a formula like this and having a little bit of a simple structure in your kitchen is that even when you're not in the mood to cook and even when you don't have a lot of time, you can make a really easy meal that still aligns with your health, fitness, and or weight loss goals. Okay, so in goes the baby spinach. That could be kale. That could be romaine if you like it crunchy. You've got a lot of options there, whatever you have on hand. And then I'm gonna add a little more seasoning, but let's stir this all together first. And you're gonna see how quickly, and first of all, look at the volume of this recipe. It is a gigantic bowl of food, but this meal is right under 400 calories. It packs 40 plus grams of protein and it has nearly 7 grams of fiber. Okay, so if I was doing what I normally do with this, I would put this in, you could certainly eat it out of the bowl, but I love to put them in, a lot of times I'll prep this in the morning, or if you need something like heading out the door for work, you could put it into a meal prep container so you could bring it with you. So I'll grab a container like this and then I will transfer this into my container, which obviously you do not have to do, but if you're going out the door, if you're headed to work, if you're making this for later in the day, this is a great option and it smells so good. Okay, so everybody in the bowl, and then I love a good hearty sprinkle of everything but the bagel seasoning over the top for just another flavor booster. So we've got our protein, we've got our base, and we've got our flavor boosters. And please just look at how gorgeous this is. And I'm gonna say, if you wanted like a little extra creaminess, you could add a big old dollop of Greek yogurt or cottage cheese and mix it in there, just like you would if you were making a tuna salad. You could also do a drizzle of olive oil over the top. You could do that fun Japanese mayo and maybe do a little sprinkle over the top. There's so many options when it comes to the flavor booster, but this is just a meal that I started creating for myself using this simple formula, and now it has become a part of my rotation, and I wanted to share it with you so that you can see how quickly and how easily you can build delicious, nutritious meals without having a fancy recipe, and even on days when you don't have a lot of fresh groceries on hand. And the only thing that I ask in return is that you come on down to the comment section below and share the simple meals that you're building for yourself. As always, I thank you so much for watching. I thank LMNT for sponsoring this video. And if you guys want to watch my healthy staples video, which is going to help you to practice building structure and systems in your kitchen, make sure that you check this video out next. Cheers.